Good morning, everyone. Yes, guys.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Good morning. Very good morning.
Okay, so now let us start with Azure Databricks.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Samir, yesterday you said that you want to share the Azure Databricks community version. Can you please share if you have?
Just a minute.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Okay. So, guys, so let us start with this. So, when it comes to this, sir, just now somebody asked me for a community edition. So, you can just try out with this community edition also. Okay. So, for that, simply go to the databricks.com. Just a minute. Give me a second. Okay, guys, sorry, actually got a call. So now, guys, when it comes to this community edition, so here, apart from this, you can go this way. So whenever you want to install the community edition, go on to this this particular link. or HTTPS. Okay, and // databricks.com. Okay, so once you go there, you will find it. Okay, try Azure. Okay, anyways, I'll show you. Okay, try Databricks for, it will ask you. Try Databricks for, it will ask you. Okay, try Databricks. Try Databricks for what? That means you want to try it for AWS, guys, AWS or Microsoft Azure, or else you want to use this for Google, Google Cloud. Okay, guys, so you can select it. You can use this. Okay, you can select it. Okay, basically it will provide you the trial version. Okay, you can use the trial version also. The same one, trial version is same 15 days or 1 month, like that. So you want to see this, how does it starts? I'll start up with this browser. So guys, I'm just opening up here. So I'm writing up www dot. Okay, so we have, what is that? www dot.
Yes, Samir.
Yes, tell me.
Can you please share your screen? We are unable to see your screen. Only we are able to see your notepad.
Okay, just a minute.
Yeah, sure.
Now, okay, so write it down, databricks.com. Okay, guys, use, what is it, databricks.com. So here you have the databricks.com. Can you see here? So once you are here onto this databricks.com, guys, so you can go that get started for free. So you can click on the get started for free. So once you click on this get started for free, are you able to see my screen, guys, everyone?
Yes.
So it will ask you, try Databricks for free. That means you want to try it for AWS, you want to try it for Microsoft Azure, or you want to try it for, what is that, cloud, whatever you have, Google Cloud. Okay, so apart from this, okay, so you have to enter your all name, phone number, etc., whatever you have it. Then you can just click on this, guys. You can just click on this getting started for free. Once all the information is ready, okay, you want it, okay, let us fill it off and see. So I'm using some here, ADF, company is Durgasoft, company email ID it is asking for. So anyways, what we will do is, I think it should not accept it, but still I'm trying it. consultant.adf@gmail. So title is ABC, whatever you want. I'm giving my mobile number here. That's it. So all the information is entered, and country is by default India. So click on getting started for free. Now, guys, which one you want to make it? I want to use the Microsoft Azure, so I'm using it. Hence, that means, guys, basically, we can use the bricks for any environment.
Sir, just one quick question. Databricks is like a Microsoft original product, or Microsoft procured it from some other company?
No, it is procured one. Databricks, basically. It can be used by, it's not a product owned by the Microsoft.
Okay. But it's called like Azure Databricks, right? Or it's like a combination of Databricks with Azure, or
for Azure.
okay.
Amazon, AWS, or Google, whatever you say, that's not a problem. Bricks
Okay.
for whatever you want, you can use it.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Now, guys, can you see here? When it comes to this Databricks, you can have it. Can you see here? You can say start free. You can say start free here. So the same story here, the same story. We have to use start for free. Can you see start for free, pay as you go model? So if you go with the start for free, guys, can you see here? Start for free, you can click on start for free. And once you click on the start for free, you have to sign up. Same as we did it when we started the PDF. Okay. Everything is normal, guys. You have to give the credit card information, etc. Anyways. So ultimately it drives you to that. Okay. So this is the thing you have to make it off. So I'm just click on this.
Yes, Samir. Yeah, I have one
Yeah,
query.
yeah.
If you select AWS or Google Cloud, both and instead of Azure, and Azure, AWS, Google Cloud, both all are same, right? Services.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bricks can you see here? Can you see here? What it said looks like already something you said. Basically, you can use this bricks for Databricks. Databricks, you can use it for either Amazon, you can use it for Google, or you can use it with for the even the Azure. Can you see here? It is driving you to the same place. Can you see here, guys? All of you, same. So simply portal.azure.com. That means community edition is this one. Sorry. So we can use either cases. So ultimately, the data or the things whatever we have it, that will be provided to through the portal.azure.com only. Okay, guys. So now click on this. All of you, the basic concept is clear, or you want me to repeat it once again, guys? Yesterday's one. Yes. Please answer my question.
Yes,
Uh,
yes.
Repeat once.
Repeat once.
Okay, okay. So now I'll just refresh it once and then we'll move further. I cannot repeat the whole process, but okay, guys. So now, see, basically Azure Databricks. See, Azure is only the product that is called as what? It is a survey. Azure is nothing but it is a product which that is nothing but the Microsoft is selling. Microsoft is selling is cloud. It's cloud technologies with a name called Azure. With a name called what is that? Azure. So hence this Azure has integrated with the Databricks. So hence together it is called as what? Azure Databricks. It is called as what, guys? Azure Databricks. Whereas the Azure Databricks is a service provided by Microsoft to perform the job of what? ETL. That is which stands for what? Extraction, transformation, and loading. Whereas the process of ETL, guys, the process of ETL, that is nothing but extraction, transformation, and what is it? You have it loading. Extraction, transformation, and loading. So this extraction, transformation, and loading is nothing but a process where we pull in the data, summarize the data, and load the data, for which we require the following. What is that? Source as the first one. And the next one is what is that we require, guys? Target. So now, guys, tell me, source is nothing but what? Source is a place where information is recorded. Source is nothing but a place where information is recorded. Source is nothing but a place where information is recorded. So hence we can say, what is that? We can say that source means what? Source means ultimately the, guys, source means what? Ultimately the source of data. So now guys, tell me, what are the sources of data you can have it? We can get the data either in the form of, what is it, files, else in the
Database,
form of database. Yes guys. Next one, what is it?
uh,
Live streaming data.
live stream data, social media data.
Yeah, live stream data, live streaming data. Okay, so okay, all this. Okay, apart from this, what is it? You can have live streaming data or whatever the type of data you have, you will get the source. So whereas what is our job here is to get the data. That is called as extraction, performing the job of what, guys? Extraction. Performing the job of extraction. And once the extraction is done, what we do? Transform is a process where the data is summarized. Then ultimately, once the data is summarized, what we do? We load the data. So that is called as what? We load the data towards a target. Load the data towards a target. Okay, source of data. That means what? Extraction, transformation, and what is that? Loading. Extraction, transformation, and what is that? Loading. So whereas in the extraction, transformation, and loading, so we require, what's it? Source. Source is the whatever the source you have it. So pulling in the data from the source and making the changes as per the requirement, and ultimately loading into the target or putting into the target. That is the job of what? Extraction, transformation, and loading. So whereas here, can you see, loading into what? Loading into the destination. Loading into the destination. That's it. Okay, so we can have the data into the following. So now guys, what are the different type of data we can have? Yes, we can have the data, or the broadly the big data. What is big data? Big data is nothing but a data, massive amount of data. That is a huge and massive amount of data is called as what? Big data. Wherein, guys, wherein the big data is nothing but, the big data is nothing but a very massive amount of data. And whereas this big data is classified basically into three categories. What is that? Guys, tell me now. The
Structured
first
data.
one is called as what?
Structured data.
Yesterday I told you, no? Very good. So the first one is called as what? Yeah, structured data.
Structured data.
It is called as what? Structured data, guys. And then next one, what is unstructured
Semi-structured.
data, or we can say semi-structured data. So use here semi-structured data. Yeah, semi-structured. And next one, what is it? You have it unstructured. So we can have this type of, guys, we can have this type of data: unstructured, semi-structured, and what is that? Structured data. These are the three categories of different data we have: structured data, semi-structured data, and unstructured data. So these are the three categories of data we can have it. So whereas that means the big data can be classified into three categories. So structured, semi-structured, and unstructured, or whatever the type of data you have it. These data, or these data, where we can get it? We can get it from what? Various sources of getting big data. What is that? The first, social networking sites. Then we can have what is human generated data, machine generated data, whatever the type of it, from where we get the data. Getting my point? So we can get the data from anywhere. We can get the data from, what is that? Anywhere. Getting my point, all of you? We can get the data from, what is that? Anywhere. So now, once it is done, guys, these are the three categories of data. Okay. Next, after this, now we have seen the storages in Azure. Now tell me, what are the storages of Azure? Storages in Azure. Tell me now, what are the storages? So basically, to store the data in Azure, we require the following storages. We require, what is that? Following storages. So what are the storages we have? Tell me now, guys. The following are the storages required here, or it's nothing what we can say. required falling under the storages we have it. So what is that? The first storage is, what is that? Azure blob storage. Okay, Azure blob storage. So what is it? You have it, Azure blob storage. And the next one, what is it? You have it. So the second one, Azure data lake Gen 1. Then what is it? We have it. Tell me now. Yes, guys. So Gen 1 is okay. Then what's it? Azure data lake Gen 2. Azure data lake Gen 2. Then what is it? We have Azure SQL
SQL
DB.
database.
SQL.
And then we have the fifth one.
Azure Elastic Pool.
Azure
Azure
Yeah,
Elastic.
SQL database. Azure is, yeah, very good. We have, what is it? SQL, what is it? Yeah,
Azure.
Elastic Pool.
Azure
Azure Elastic Pool.
Synapses also we can.
Yeah, Azure Cosmos DB.
Cosmos DB, no SQL. It's a no SQL.
Yeah,
And Synapses also there.
Azure. Yes, Cosmos. Yes, Cosmos DB. No SQL. Okay, so we have, what is it? No SQL. This is called as no SQL database. And next one, yes, guys, what is the next one you have it? So, okay, anyways, so with these are all the Azure Synapse, you can say. Okay, Azure Synapse. Azure Synapse Analytics. Okay, so these are all the storages. That means whenever we pull in the data, guys, whenever we pull in the data from the first databases or the live streaming data, okay, guys, live streaming data, whatever you pull in. So this kind of data will be recorded in, what is that? Azure blob storage. So what is that? Azure blob storage, or into what's it? Azure data lake Gen 2. Gen 1, anyways, it's going to retire in 2020. Hence, it's not allowing to create. Okay. And then you have what? Azure SQL DB. All these are, that means these storages are common. Whether you are using the service called Bricks, you are using the service called ADF, these storages are common for everything. Getting my point? These storages are what? Commonly used. So now, guys, what is it? You have it. Next, after this, let us see the components. Already we have discussed the components. So I want to just brush it up once before we move further. Components. Components in, what is that? You have it. Components in, what is that? Components in ADB. Okay, guys, what is that? Components in ADB. That is Azure Databricks. So the first component is as it is, no change here. Pipeline. Pipeline is common. So pipeline is nothing but what? What the pipeline does? It carries the data. Yes, guys. What is it? It carries the data.
From source.
It carries the data from the source to the, yes, guys, source to the target. Yes, from source, from, okay, from source. Yes, guys, from source to target. Okay, from source to target. It carries out the data from source to target. That's it. Okay. It carries the data from source to target. That's it. Okay. Next, the next one, what is it you have? Yes, guys, tell me now. Mount points. Mount points. So can you tell me what is mount points? Mount points are nothing but these are, yes, guys, these are used to, yes, guys, these are used to create. So in other words, I think some of you are even attending the ADF. Am I right, guys? Yes, guys, some of you are attending the ADF also. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm audible. I'm audible, everyone.
Yes, yes.
Yes, please let
Samir,
me.
actually your voice is
Yeah, so
breaking.
I think many of you are attending the ADF also. So in that you have linked service. Might be some network issue. Okay.
Yes, yes.
See, actually, we have a linked service in Azure. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Likewise,
Yes.
we have mount points here. Like we have one point. These are used to create the, yes, guys, what is that?
Connections.
Connection string. Connection string. These are used to create the connection string between,
Source and target.
that is between the storages.
Source and
Between
target.
the storages and the, yes, between the storages and source and target. Okay, guys. Source and target. Source and target. But there is a slight difference. You have it in mount points. It is not mostly same purpose is same. Purpose is same. The mount point is nothing but just like your linked services. Okay. So now, guys, again we have the next one, the third one. But here without mount points also we can use it, guys. Like without link service, can we use in ADF? Can we perform this job
No, sir. No.
of source to target copy without using a linked service in
No, sir.
ADF, guys?
No,
No,
sir.
no.
But here it is possible. But it is possible. Without the mount points also you can do it. Without the mount point also you can do it. Where? Okay, guys. So next one. What's that we have it? Pipeline, and what is that? Mount points. And the third one, what is that you have it? Can you say, guys, what is the third one? Please. Yeah, am I audible to everyone?
Data set, sir. Third point.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, guys, am I audible to everyone?
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Yeah, the third one is what?
Data
Data
set.
sets. Data sets, or what is that? Data frame.
Data frame or tables, we can say. Simple words.
Okay, these are used to, these are, yeah, these are used to,
Maintain
they are
the
used to maintain
structure of the table.
the, maintain, yes guys, maintain the structure
Of the table.
maintain the structure of the data, structure of the data, okay, that's it. Then what is it? You have it, triggers. So now tell me, what is your triggers? Triggers you know already. Okay, it, yes guys, it kickstarts, it kickstarts the data pipeline automatically. Okay, or automated form, we can say automated, in automated way. Okay, in automated way. That means on a particular day and time. So now guys, the next one, what is it? Another thing you have it? Yes guys,
Activities.
data flows or transformations, whatever you call it. Here what you call it as what? Transformations.
Transformation.
Okay, before that we'll write activities. Activities. So activities is what? The action, guys. What is it? Action want to perform. Action want to perform on the data is nothing but, what is it? You have it? Activity. And the next one, sixth one, what is it? You have it? Tell me. Anyways, data flows. So anyways, here we don't call basically the data flows, we can say transformations only. Transformations. Here we call directly the transformations. For your understanding purpose, I said data flows, but actually it's called as transformations. Okay, guys, transformations, direct transformations. So we don't use a data flow word here. So we use what is that? Transformations. So these are all the components in ADB. Okay, guys, clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, everyone
Yes, sir.
following
Yes.
or not, please.
Yes.
Yeah, am I audible, guys?
Yes.
That's it. So now, so yeah, this is the thing we have it. So now, guys, Databricks session. How does the Databricks session works? Tell me now. The Databricks session will work in the following way. What is that? As it is, you Databricks session. Guys, what is it? You have a Databricks session. So now, guys, from the Databricks session, can you see? So you have to use it. The first one, the Databricks session. The first one, we have to use what is that?
Workspace.
Okay.
Workspace.
What is the first you have to use? What is that? Step one. Step one. What is the step one till now? Guys, what is the step one?
Workspace.
No, the first one is create resource group. Create the resource group. First of all, work the resource group. First of all, use the resource group. Without the resource group, you cannot do anything. And the second step, and the step two, guys. Step two. Can you see step two? What is that? Create. What is that? You have it. Workspace. Create the workspace. And the step three, guys. Can you tell me? Yes. What is the step three? Step three.
Cluster.
Create.
We have to create cluster.
Yes, create workspace. Then you have what is it? Tell me now. Create the workspace. Then create what's it? Cluster. Cluster. Create a cluster. Okay. And then the fourth step. What is it? We have it. Step four. Okay,
Node-
guys. Step four. Yeah. Yeah. What is it? Use what is it? Create.
Notebook.
Okay. Workspace is there. Then notebook. You have to create what? Notebook. Okay, guys. Yes. So this is the hierarchy. You have to follow it. Okay. So to start the programming part in this thing in ADB, guys, even we will see them individually. Don't worry. We will see them individually. That means what is workspace? I will give you the detailed notes on this. What is clusters and what are the type of clusters and what is a notebook? Everything. Don't worry. We will see some things in more detail. Don't worry about this. Okay. So now, guys, can you see what's the tablet? We have the workspace cluster. That means multiple notebooks we can create it on a single cluster. Okay. Multiple clusters we can create it on a single workspace. Okay. And a resource group, a single resource group can have what's that? Multiple workspace. Am I right, guys? It can have what? Multiple workspace. See, workspace is nothing but it is just like the we launch the session in ADF now. Open Azure Data Factory. We click on the Azure Data Factory. Am I right, guys? Those who know ADF or those who are learning ADF, guys, we click on what is that? Launch Azure Data Factory, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, am I audible, guys? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
am I audible?
voice is breaking frequently.
Yeah, am I audible, everyone?
Yes.
So now,
Yes, sir, you're audible. Yeah.
okay. So now, guys, okay. So now, you have what is it? So now, guys, this is the thing we have it. So we can have what is it? Multiple notebooks we can create it on a single cluster, and now multiple clusters you can create it on a single workspace, and multiple workspace you can create it on a single resource group. That's it. This is the hierarchy we have it. So guys, let's start with this. Okay. So now, guys, so go here. I'm starting up the session. So now, guys, this is the session. So now click on what is that? Azure. Can you see it? What's it? Databricks. You have to click on what's it? Azure Databricks. Now, just a minute. Let me check with the price entire.
Sir, your screen is stucking somewhere. actually.
I have some 4 to 5 subscriptions. So hence. Okay.
Hello. Hello.
Okay.
Hello.
It's coming. Yeah. Yeah. Tell me.
Yeah, sir, you
Hello.
are
Hello.
still
Tell
on
me.
the you are still on the notepad,
Yes.
or
Yes.
you had opened Azure portal, because I am able to see your notepad.
I'm able. I've already opened this subscription. That is nothing but the Azure portal. I have opened it. Just check the Azure portal. You are able to see that.
Okay, okay. So maybe some network
I've
issue.
reshared it.
Yeah, maybe some network issue is there, sir,
See,
because
I have
it's
reshared it.
okay, okay. It's lazy loading at my end, so
Yeah.
that's
Yeah.
it.
Same, we all facing same. We can't see.
Mhm.
Yes, yes, same problem. But right,
So now,
right now it's sharing.
Now the Azure portal is loading.
in your
Yes, yes.
Azure portal is loading. Yeah, we are able to see the
same.
symbol of Azure.
Yeah. Mm.
Maybe could you please unshare and share it again, so that would be helpful. Yeah.
Yeah. Just a minute. Now you can see the screen now. All of you.
Yeah, screen is visible. Yeah, this site can't be reached.
Yes.
This message is coming.
Just a minute. It will come. I think. We'll start up once again. There will be no downtime basically for the clouds. Just a minute. I'm started already. Just a minute, guys. I think there is some issue, network issue. Or, if you're able to hear me, if you're able to see the things, I think there is issue with this thing. The network is really down. Okay, so let us open this. Okay, guys, now it's everyone able to see the screen now. Now the is a portal screen. Yes, everyone. Am I
Yes,
audible?
yes, we are. Yes, yes, you're audible, sir.
Yeah, guys, I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
So now you are able to see it. So now let us start with okay, let us start with the Azure now. Bricks. So just click on the bricks. Now, guys, first of all, you have to create it here. So anyways, so now click on the create. Switching is server indicates that the network is slowed down. Firewalls or browser extension such as Blogger is mistakenly preventing access. Ignore it. Now guys, click on the create. I'm just using the create option here. So click on the Databricks. So network is a bit slow, guys, today.
Samir, can you explain, just now I have created a community edition, and in that account I got the credit of
Okay.
13,400, I think. So I can use up to 13,400 rupees service for 30 days. So,
Yes. Yes.
so
Yes.
do I need to enroll in any services or
That you can credit. Those are the credits.
yes. So we can just use the services
Yeah,
or
you
we
have
need.
to enroll the service.
Okay, and just explain for this course, what are the services we need to enroll
You can use
so
the
that we.
services. You cannot transfer that money.
Yes, yes. I want to know what are the services that we need to
See,
enroll.
basically, you yeah, whatever it is required, we will start at that point and we have to end it. Else your credits will be consumed off.
Okay.
Hello,
Yes, yes.
hello,
Uh,
hello,
Yes,
guys.
yes,
I'm
yes,
audible.
yes, yes, yes.
yes.
I can hear.
Yeah, you're audible, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. So now there is just a minute. I'm just restarting this. So just let me check this. I'm restarting this brick session. One error while fetching the resource additional for underlying API that might be helpful. Response failed. The connection is the network issue. We have it, guys, here. Okay. It's I'm trying it.
Samir, just I have a question. Uh, do we need to
Okay.
do we mandatory need to attend the
Yeah, go
ADF
ahead.
sessions also?
Yeah, of course you attend. You have to attend it
Uh, Actually, I have not
because
attended.
if you have it, that's fine. Without ADF also you can do. It's not like that. If you cannot see,
And
actually, it's not that mandatory. It's not that mandatory to attend. But if you have, that's fine. Without the there is ADF also you can go with the bricks. It's not necessary for you to do this. Yeah, tell me.
So
There's some
Uh,
issue with the network here. So I think we have to hang up the things here today because this is not supporting it. Even the portal is not opening up. Even the portal is not supporting right now. So I think there is a network issue. Okay. So if you have any
yeah,
questions, you
sir.
can ask
Sir,
me.
one thing
Till
quickly. Yeah, sir. One thing quickly. Is there any new
yeah.
batches which you has started for radio?
Mhm.
Is there any new batch which has been started, or you
Yeah,
are planning
area
to
of
start?
morning 8 a.m. is there, and
Okay,
7th October we have
7:30, right?
already new batch started 8 a.m. 8 a.m.
8 a.m. Okay, 8 a.m. in the morning.
8 a.m. in the morning.
Okay, 8 to 9 means, right?
8 o'clock.
Okay, okay. So,
8 o'clock in the morning. Yeah.
okay, how
Yes,
many
8 a.m. in the
how
morning.
many sessions it has been completed
Yeah, that's it. 8
till
a.m.
now? Yeah, how many sessions it has been completed till now, sir?
Four
Four.
practicals are already done.
Oh, okay, okay. So then I need to wait for
Four sessions,
another.
four
Yeah.
practicals.
So any other future planned batches which you are going to start?
7th. Yes. 7th October. Yeah, 7th
7th of October,
October.
right?
7th
Okay,
October. 7th October, we are starting a new batch at 9 a.m.
9 a.m. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you, sir.
Today it's first now. So
Yeah.
7th.
7th. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So like
So
one
that's it.
any
yeah.
question.
So I will enroll
Okay.
myself for ADB and ADF both. Okay. And I will discuss with
Yeah.
Durga Shop. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Sure. Definitely.
Yeah, sir, just one
Okay,
question on this.
Thank you. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, like we are using like Databricks in combination with Azure.
Tell me.
We are telling that with
Tell
other
me.
yeah, with other clouds also we can use Databricks, right? So
Yeah.
which is the like most popular combination as of now, like Databricks
Definitely we can use it.
with Azure or AWS?
It is with Azure only.
Okay, and whatever like skills.
Okay, it's with Azure only.
Okay, whatever skills we are using as of now, with say we are learning in Databricks. So suppose if after some time we can use them with AWS also, but we need to know AWS also, right?
Same thing.
Okay, means at least
No. Actually, the thing is that basic commands will be changing, nothing else.
okay, means data at least Databricks part will
Basic commands, few of the basic commands will change. Rest
okay,
of the things will be similar.
okay.
Yes.
and Samir, what like we have Databricks and ADF and ADB, and
You go
what
ahead.
else we have in this combination? Like in Java, we have full stack Java, right? So these courses comes under which part?
As of now, these are the two. Yeah.
Yes, tell me.
Uh,
Yes, Samir.
this course comes under which departments? I didn't get you.
Like
Yeah. Like,
in Java, we have full
what do you
stack
mean by
Java,
that?
right?
So basically, yeah. See here, basically here, this, okay. I'm not much aware of the full stack Java basically. See, basically here the Azure Databricks, or you go for the factory, Azure Data Factory. Okay. So these are specially designed for performing the jobs on the ETL jobs or the ELT jobs. Okay. So here, whereas ETL jobs or ELT jobs, whereas the ADF, we can use it. ADF is the purely a service provided. Can you see here? ADF is a pure service owned by Microsoft. This particular thing, wherein this ADB, no, Databricks, we took it into this Azure. Okay, that means Databricks is already there. Okay, Databricks is already there. Okay, so that means the ADB we are using in the Azure here. That means we say it as Azure ADB. We use the Azure ADB, wherein we use the Azure ADB here. We use the Azure ADB. Apart from this, this ADB can also be used with the AWS. The AWS ADB you can see. What is that? That is Databricks. AWS, that means Amazon Databricks. You can also, Google Databricks. You can use for the Google also. Okay. Basically, these are all, we can say, service. The service can be utilized for anything. Yeah, that was your doubt or anything else? Tell me now.
Yeah. Yes, Samir.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, clear.
Okay. Any other doubts?
Yeah, Samir. Yeah, we have community version for Azure Database, right? Is it we can use in real time also, or
We can use it. Why not?
okay? But we have two options, right? For community version, and one more, we can go to portal.azure.com. We can use Azure Database service, right?
Yes, we have two ways.
Two ways.
Generally,
Okay.
we use this portal.azure.com only. If you're working on the Azure Databricks.
Okay. But we are not using any cloud community version in
Yes.
real time, right?
Yes.
But we have limited services on Azure community version, right?
Yes,
Azure
very limited versions. So
Okay.
hence that is the issue basically.
Okay. That is also same, right? 13,000 rupees credited something we have, right? For Azure community version. Azure
15,000. 15,000.
Both are same, right? Both
Yeah.
are.
15,000 credits will be given there. In
Okay.
Azure Databricks, if you use it in the Azure portal.
Okay.
But
Okay.
everything does not support all services.
Okay, for community version.
Yes.
And one more point, same Azure Databricks community version as like Azure Data Factory community version is there. Only we are using services
No,
from.
only we have this data factory solution is there. There is no community version for that.
Okay. And one more point, we can select AWS and Google Cloud same environment as like Microsoft Azure. We have seen, right? Same environment or
Yes.
different.
Yes, we can use it. Yeah. No, the
Same
same way, but once you go select the same, that is from the community version. If you select it, you want to use the Databricks for AWS or Google. Few changes will be there. That you have to accept it.
Okay. But every company using, we can select for Azure, right? Or based on client
Azure only.
requirement? Okay, Azure.
No, mostly on Azure. Obviously, client requirement will be the basic for everything.
Okay. As per client requirement, we can select either Azure or Google Cloud
Yes.
or AWS. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. I got it. Thanks, Samir. Yeah.
Thank you.
Sir, the course which we are covering, so like this is targeted towards any certification from Databricks.
If you want, you have to write it on your own. But we will train you accordingly. But we are not providing any certifications.
No, I'm not asking about that, but I'm saying like it will prepare me for which certificate.
Yeah.
You could please.
See, basically, you have some DP, some 0.1 some versions are there. That particular level of certifications you can have, but overall I can say you that is the data engineering certificate or the data engineer certificate. You can have it from the Microsoft. So you have many certifications are there. All those things you can write it. See, we are not we what is certification basically? Certification is basically It tests you the skills, whatever you have it. So we are planning to work on a floor basically.
Okay.
Okay, we are planning for work on a floor. So when you work on a floor tomorrow, so basically all these things will become easier for. That's not a thing. You can write any level of certification. So certification is not a big deal on that.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay, guys.
Yeah, sure.
Anything else? Okay, guys, that's it. So now we'll end up the class, and we'll have the class on Monday, guys. Tomorrow you'll not have the class. We'll have it on Monday. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Monday 10 a.m.
So from Monday we'll start the practicals.
Yeah,
Okay,
10
from Monday
a.m.
we'll start the practicals, guys. Thank you.
Yeah, 10
Yeah,
a.m.
Monday
right?
10 a.m. Thank you. Yeah, 10 a.m. Monday 10 a.m. everyone. Yes,
Okay,
yes.
sure. And one more
Monday
point.
10 a.m.
Okay. And one more point. We have
Tell me.
for any material for Azure.
Tell me, I can hear you. I can hear you.
Yeah. For area Azure Databricks, we have any material?
For bricks you are telling or data factory you're telling?
Bricks. Any
I will
document?
send you a link. You just follow that link. That's it.
Yeah, sure. Okay, sure, sir. Thanks.
Thank you.